Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the preparation for the exam timetable. I came up with new ideas here, so I believe this is going to be better than my previous video about the exam timetable. We started with the basic idea, data for the, so number of days are 8 here for the exam. There are going to be 3 exam sessions per day. Three exam sessions. Subjects, we're going to see more details here in this sheet. Actually, there is 2 majors, computer engineering, CE, and control engineering. There is 4 levels for each major. The courses are illustrated here. Some of the courses are common, some of them are hard, specified as hard. Reasonable courses and hard, and actually we need to do the gap between the hard courses by 1 day. We need to put all the common courses in the same time. Prerequisite courses is not going to be considered. I'm going to ignore right now. Okay, so this is the information that I'm using here. By looking to the subject, you will see the same. I'm just enter all the subjects here, the courses or subjects, and all listed with the definition of those courses. Tags, I'm choosing hard and reason. You can use different tags if you like, but we are concerned about the hard ones here. Teachers, I'm using for overlapping 2 teachers only will help me out. I will explain later. 4 level for computer engineering and another 4 level for control engineering. Okay, for students, this is what we have done. Space, I'm using the exam hall. There's about 30 of the rooms from A01 to up to A30, or you can have more, doesn't matter. I'm not going to use them only for not as resources, but as constraints here. Okay, if you can read through here, I'm leaving the page here for you to read through. Please read through this one. Collection of data, this is the first thing that we need to identify the courses for both majors, their levels. Define common courses as well is very important. Grouping students, we need to make 4 groups for each major. Then we need to have the setting for the constraint. I will explain the constraint later, but we need to have sufficient gaps between the difficult course subjects. Then generating the timetable. This is the steps I'm using here. Verification, you need after that to verify if the schedule is okay or not. Okay, is it what we need or not? Back again here, there are 4 levels, as I explained, for each major. I specify the number of hard days and how many days there should be there in the exam. And this is the equation. Maximum days is equal to hard plus hard minus 1. Okay, for example, if there are 3 hard courses, you need to have 3 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, maximum days, there should be 5 days in order to get 3 hard courses apart, as it's in the schedule here. So I'm going to have 5 days from Sunday to Thursday. Then I'm going to have Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. These 3 days I can schedule a hard or difficult courses for the students. I'm leaving this page for you so you follow what I'm doing here. Similarly, for if there are 5 hard courses, then we're going to need 5 plus 5 minus 1, which is 9. So 9 days is minimum of 9 days is required here. 8 working days will do the job since there is a weekend between after the 5 days. As you can see here, Sunday to Thursday, then there is a Friday, Saturday is off in our school or college. Then there is continuous Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So this is 8 days is enough in this case. 3 sessions created, 8 to 10, 11 to 1, 2 to 3. And you can specify whatever you want. For simplicity reason, in the FET timetable, I'm using 1 hour session, per session, 1 hour. Just for to organize the constraint and do it in a better way. So let's start with the time constraint and start with the priority 100% here. Common courses is very important to put at the same time, like general studies, calculus, physics. Also, I have programming distributed among the 2 majors and electronics. This is very important. So you go to time constraint and the activity and you do that one. Hard courses, this is the difficult courses, we need to put 1 day gap. So the constraint is here, activity, others, and minimum days between a set of activity. 95% I'm giving it here. Set minimum days to 2. The apart days to 2, and you have to not click the F here. So just, and those are the courses there. Okay. I can attach this document to you to be more sure about what I'm doing here. Time constraint. This is for the activity has the same starting days. This is done here. This is for, I believe, for the prerequisite. I'm going to ignore this one for the time being. Okay. Space constraint is important here as well. I'm using it actually to avoid overlapping here. But this is the information in general. But if you look down here, when I'm specifying the space constraint down there, and I'm giving a priority of 100 here to this one. Yeah. This is only general information at the beginning, but here this is the important. The schedule here, the time. The schedule here or the table shows you allocation of rooms. So I put CE 1, CE 2, and computer engineering 3 in 1 room. So I am guaranteed there is no overlapping between 1, 2, 2, and 3. Then between 3 and 4, I cannot allocate it to the room because there is a maximum session. Then I allocate it to 1 teacher. So 1 instruction for CE 3 and CE 4. And 1 instructor, and I call it instructor number 1. Similarly, for the rest of the other majors, and CN 1 and 2 and 3, CN 1 and 2, and then this is the teachers used there. For more details, I'm going, as I mentioned, to attach this file to you, for you. So hard and the teachers, only 2 instructor for the, and space is the building. You can see the rooms, the number of rooms are 30, and I'm not going to use all of the 30. And the reason for the rooms here is just to avoid overlapping, even the teachers as well. It's not the proctoring or something else. Don't understand it this way. Activity, there are some inactive activity, but if you look to the activity, this is one of them is for the, both of them is with the priority 100, and as you can see here, the common courses is putting in the top here, all common courses that is used. Okay, like calculus, physics, the, I think, computer programming, electronics. Those are the courses are used there. And then I specify the hard per measure. So if you look to the constraint, you will find the hard courses are put apart by 2. I didn't show you this screen, sorry, this I missed out, but it's there. You should put 2 days apart. 2 days apart means 1 gap. Space, rooms. So I believe this is for the space constraint, which I put and I show you in the table. Please refer back to the Word document I displayed in front of you. Okay. Activities. These are the activities there here. And can show you the activities where I'm using the teacher, the instructor, and some of them here. Okay. This is the subject. I'm using the teacher because it's in the level. It's based on the level. Okay, it's nothing. So I'm going to generate all okay, successful, 0 error, all okay. Then we'll start displaying the courses one by one, one level by one. So the level 1, if you can see here, the hard, they are apart, 2 hard courses and 1 at the end in day 8. Okay, this is for C1, C2. There's 1 hard here, 1 hard here, 1 hard there, and on. They are apart. Only level 3, because I put 5, there is some problem here I'm going to fix, but there's, as you can see, there's 2 adjacent hard here. This is the only failure here because the number is 5. I'm going to fix in my next video if I find a solution. The same things, but you can see it's very successful here. Okay, so mostly it's okay. This is what, if we reach this one, then it's okay. Up to 70-80%, it's good. We are satisfied with this. This is very good results. I never reached to this point before, and I believe this is very good as a starting point. Okay, now I need to go and see the overlapping between each 2 levels, adjacent levels. So if you see CA1, CA2, you will find there is no overlapping. Then the student who is behind, he can take courses from both levels. And this is what it's normal there because of the failure or because of some student, they are taking summer courses and they are ahead. So many students, I think, is a big percentage is going to be between 2 levels. That's why we do this overlapping, no overlapping. This is done through the constraint space and the teacher, as I explained earlier. Please refer to that file. This is very important. Or go back through the video and try to stop to see the details. Okay. Now, if we look for another kind of the same table, but this is somehow this is a horizontal, day vertical. Then it shows a days in a vertical way. Or we can see the time horizontal to see all together at one time, and you can deeply go there. It's very small to see, only barely you can see the course code only. But you can notice here the same courses are at the same time. It's very easy to spot them. Look for the pink color, GES 113, both of them at the same time. Look for the dark pink, CE 101, it's programming at the same time, if you can see it there. And I believe there is another one somewhere there. Okay. Okay. So this is the calculus. Okay, if we look at the end here, yes, the yellow color, CE 204. I don't remember what's the code, but It's the same course here. 101 for physics at the same time, because it's giving to both measures. This is very important. Okay. It looks progressing. It looks very good solution so far. I don't know if someone has better than this. I don't know really, because the posting for the FET software is not that much regarding this. Mostly is about the school. This is a college wise. Okay, for the rooms, this is the rooms here, and again I'm not using the rooms for any other than the one main constraint, which is the overlapping. Okay, but it's there. Okay, it's there, you can utilize them as well. This is a vertical days, and this is along with the, again, back for the levels, the rooms. Please share this video and subscribe to the channel if you like it. Thank you for your help, and don't forget your feedback is very important to me. Thank you and have a good day.